Good evening to you, sir.
Good evening. Nice to be with you, Greg and Jeffrey.
And what are we going to talk about this evening?
I wanted to talk about a case that involved a lawsuit just decided brought by a company against the University of Massachusetts. You know, when you deal with the government as a business owner, you have some special problems. So this is a case about going from glee to misery.
And I take it you're not talking about the television show.
I'm not talking about the television show. So a company called Cameron Painting Company entered into a one-year contract to do work up at UMass. The estimated volume would be $500,000. And there was a guaranteed minimum payment of $1,000, which is a little strange, but that's what the contract said. This was entered into in 2006, and it was supposed to end May of 2007.
And this is a signed contract.
This is a signed...
So it's not subject to the statute of frauds. This is...
Correct.
Right.
It did say that the parties executed the contract as a sealed instrument. We'll talk about what that means in a little bit. So, however, under the terms of the contract, for each separate project that the painting company did, there had to be an agreed price. So over the next year, they were never able to reach agreement on any particular job at any particular price. Therefore, they got no work out of them, and the contract terminated May of 2007.
And when you say terminated, do you mean lapsed, or did they actually terminate the contract?
It lapsed and was not renewed.
Got it.
So
good clarification.
Thank you.
So there we are, the end of May 2007, and the contract is over. So Cameron is dissatisfied, and in November 2011, so we're talking about 4.5 years after the contract terminates with no work, they sue the University of Massachusetts. So
4 years later.
4.5 years later. So this
to which the judge's first question is probably what took you so long, but that's a discussion for another.
It's not the statute of limitations.
Well, here that's what the case ultimately is about. The UMass moves to dismiss, arguing the case is barred by the statute of limitations, and so here's the rules.
And just were they using UMass? I just love always to look at